Here is Play Sports app, Survivor and DFS. So let's just take a look at this app. Yeah, it's getting quite high in the charts recently. So win even if you miss peak, win up to 50x your entry fee, play against real people and win real money. How peer-to-peer contests work. Play big contests and win big money with real money playing the fantasy sports and DFS games. Peak, Survivor and Pick 'em. So yeah, you can just use this app. Then you can sign up, or you can just take a look at an overview. You can have notifications, and then yeah, here you have the overview. In here you have entries, and then you have quick picks, which you can use, and then you have your channel in here. So that's the idea. Try out this app.